What's up? It's your boy SwabiDabi, owner operator Perfect Touch Auto Glass in Richmond, Virginia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up for a single man set. Also in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear view mirror and install it. We're working on the 2016 Ford Fusion. Once again, get your plastic panel tool, get behind the cowl and the fender and just pop the whole unit off. That's the best way to release that without destroying those clips. Then all you want to do, setting up for a single man set, is just fill it in. That's basically it. I'm setting up for a single man set, and I'm basically just filling it in. I got my handy dandy towel I've been using for years, and I'm just filling it in. This right here, this prevents two-man set or any of them special tools. Job done. Now all I gotta do is just cut out the windshield. And like I was telling you, this is a 2016 Ford Fusion, which come with these wire moldings on the side, no top molding. So remember, when setting it, give it at least a quarter inch of a gap. At least a quarter inch of a gap. Now, try not to ride that pinch wheel. Stay away from the pinch wheel. Ride that glass. And in some cases, you can remove that metal, that wire molding from the side, but it's just best just easy. Just cut that off with your cold knife. Once you get that out of the way, regular procedure. Top size with the cold knife, take your time. It's another thing, I be watching a lot of y'all videos and y'all come through with the half-inch cold knife and it'll be loose on the top and it'll be loose on the side, but it'll still be caught up right there in the corner, and y'all get y'all inch and a half cold knife blade to remove it, and you really don't need to do that, but do you? You know what I'm saying? You move along with the power tool. Like I said, I always try to use my dash protector for frit bands bigger than 3 inches. If it's bigger than 3 inches, I'm pulling out my dash protector just for the extra precaution. I don't care. I've been doing this for 17 years. I don't care. Safety first. And I'm about to show y'all how y'all remove this rear view mirror. They got these little funny things. If you got the tool, that's all fine and dandy. But I don't got the tool. I just come through with a little pick tool, get on top of it, take the little hammer, and just beat it off. That's what mainly most of these Fords, these Ford Expeditions and F-150, these Ford series trucks. And it comes off in like 20 seconds, real easy. Probably less than that, 5 seconds. Regular procedure, take your time. I like to use a scraper. For the tops and the sides. I like to use my long knife for the bottom. Get it down to at least 1/8 of an inch. Try to avoid minimum scratches as possible. Come right behind, clean up the dash, and come right behind that with primer. I'm not sure if my videographer got any of that footage. I also want to include, or so I can get a picture of this. This vehicle has a surround sound, a music set, a lot of wiring and stuff like that. So we had to be precautious of that right there. Which I was able to. It wasn't properly placed through there, so the only thing I had to do was just place it behind the fence. So that's taken care of, so you don't have to worry about any of that. And like I said, just normal routine, prepping the glass for installation. Did I already prime it? It doesn't look like I primed it yet. Don't need to prime it, because I use a primeless polyurethane, but I like to prime it, activate it. I'm the extra guy. I'm always extra. And to prevent leaks, or to at least identify a leak in a situation, and it'd be easier for me to get to it, I go all the way across. I start all the way across, and I always come down. Now, I don't know if y'all noticed something. I do the left side with the left hand, and I do the right side with the right hand. I don't know if that's like a common or normal thing that y'all technicians do out there, but that's how I run. I run the left with the left, and I run the right with the right. No, I'm not ambidextrous. And I'm not perfect, despite the fact that my company name is Perfect Touch Auto Glass. But I have been looking at other auto glass videos, and like I said, windshieldprovider.com is coming out. I'm actually going to be reaching out to a couple of technicians that I like and see if they are looking to accept any more work in their area. Some technicians, I had to flag them because I just don't trust their work, and they work for legitimate big companies too. Oh yeah, so we're on the rearview mirror. The glass is set on the rearview mirror. So what you do, just take some dish detergent, a Q-tip, lubricate the insides of that bad boy. So what y'all do, y'all be trying to slide that on, y'all won't be able to get that joint to click, and then that joint be vibrating, and the customer got the right to call back a warranty. So all you gotta do is just lubricate it, and just slide it on there till that joint snap. Click, 1, 2, 3. Easy. I believe that is how it is. Or when the winner chicken